In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can post on subreddits or communities on Reddit. It's very much simple and easy. We'll show you guys how to do this. So just launch your Reddit like this, launch your app like this, and now just tap on the create here. You can see. So tap on the create like this, and now select the community you want to post in. So now let's select this community here. So now I'm in all these communities. I'm into web development and a lot. So let me come here. Let me choose. Okay, I like Dream League. I play Dream League as well. So let me choose Dream League. Good. So on here, I just need to give it a title like this. So you can see the rules of the community or the subreddit here. You can tap on this to see the rules. If you don't need to share any link, you are not going to share any link there. You can see no game hacks and cheat and the rest. So all these are community rules. So now let me write a post like just like you can see. I entered my title, post, and then I added a tag which is gameplay. So this is about gameplay. I'm saying I'm the best in Dream League Live in Challenger. So you can see here. So now I just post like this, and then this Reddit post will be sent to Dream League. So you can see I'm going to get people upvoted and people downvoted as well. So you can see other people post here, simple and easy. So when you hop on this like this, it's going to be very hard for you to post. So that's the way you can post on communities or subreddits. So once my post is approved, I'm going to be able to, get upvotes and downvotes and a lot here. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.